Good morning children, here I am with you with your second theme. Before that I just want to confirm, I hope you all have gone through your first theme very thoroughly, very perfect, and the assessment which is given for you students at the last page of first theme. Okay, where have you understood the vocabulary, grammar, each and everything that you have to fill. Okay children, don't forget. And completely when you are really very thorough with first theme, only you have to fill that part. Any doubt or anything that is for your assessment, so that you understand each and every part of the theme what is given in those parts of that theme. Okay children, so here I hope I am looking forward for your doubts and queries, whatever you have. I will be glad to clear that, and I hope you are able to follow the things what I wanted you to learn from this. As I said, very beautiful themes children, not only subject wise, it's it's going to overall personality, it is going to enhance yours. You people must concentrate. Okay, with this thought, with this idea, or with this motto, let's begin our second theme, which comes under wit and humor. Wit and humor. So when you hear this word wit, what's the first? I hope you all people get one glimpse. As you are not in front of me, I am unable to see your faces, unable to guess, or I am unable to ask you. So I hope you have that curiosity even from your home to answer me. So somewhere you have this word intelligent, right? Wit is nothing but intelligence. Yes? Am I? You have this? Are you getting this? Maybe. Yes. So actually wit, the ability to use the words in clever way, intelligent manner. So here wit, wisdom, wit, lot of difference here. So wit, the ability to use the words in clever, in a very simple way. I have given you. What is it? It is nothing but the ability to use the words in clever way. For example, it's if I say, it's not important for a person to gain all the knowledge. Yes, but you can acquire the knowledge, but how to put it? How to put it in such a way that you sound good, you sound positive, or you sound right over there. That is called wit. Gaining knowledge, or you getting educated and using that education, what you call in a right way, is called wit. So what and what timings, how to talk. So most people will be, you don't like to be around them. Always the way they talk, is kind of, you feel very uncomfortable. So because the presence of mind, the presence of sense, the power of thinking is lacking in them. Maybe, but sometimes you are around people whom you like. Why? Because the way they tackle the things, the way they talk, you just get attracted. The public speakers, Nick Vujicic, he's not, just he speaks. Some public speakers are there where you get attracted. The way they make relation to the speaker makes relation to the listener. Why? Because they know how to attract with the words. How to play with the words is called wit. The ability to use the words in a clever way. In what way? Suppose if you want something serious things to let someone very elder to you, so you have to be really very prepared for that, very cautious. How I can, maybe he may get or she may get angry, but that part where you really think how I could prepare to present so that they don't get hurt, even your thing, you are able to say them very clearly. That's what wit means. So here the sense of a sense or the power of thinking, the skill how to use your words so that people don't get offended or embarrassed. They don't feel embarrassed or and you even whatever you want to know them, then you understand. So that is called wit. The next one is humor. What is humor? Humor, the quality of being comic, humorous. Your joke was really humorous, very funny. Quality of being funny. The quality of being funny is what we feel, as if normally it's like kind of you like some persons who really joke a lot. You write, oh wow, nice, what jokes he'll crack. Really, I'm a big fan of him, especially your TV stars. You see, our very famous comedian Prabhanandam and many more are there, but how their timings, without them the movies are incomplete. You feel not, suppose if you think in a movie those comedy scenes are taken away, would you feel? And sometimes if you watch any new persons, you contrast, no, not like, in their presence, only their facial expressions are enough for us. So humorous, they make everything light, laughable, where you relax. That is called a humorous. The quality of being comic. Okay, what is it? The quality of being comic. So if you put together wit and humor, what role does it play in our life? Wit, how to play with words, in what way I should master myself so that people don't feel bad about my words, the timings, at what time, what to speak, right way. Humor, making people laugh, making your presence where people feel really comfortable, they like to you be there. So wit and humor should be there in every person to be socializing, where you like to be mixed with people, where people like your presence in their group or in that time, because you are such a lovable person. What makes you that? Wit and humor, where you know what to speak and how to make things very lighter. That is what you called wit and humor. So humor is the ability to say or write things that are clever and usually funny. You are not saying senseless things. Even in a funny way, also you can let very serious things out. That is also called humor. So witty. Normally we call a person witty also. Wit, where a person being intelligent enough, so to make quick decisions enough to deal with your things. So that person we call very witty person. So a witty person who is skilled at making clever and funny remarks, very clever and funny. So in a witty persons they make clever and funny remarks. They make clever and but funny. So they don't be serious. So what happens? The person may take your things very seriously and they may get depressed. Yes or no? So but when you say those clever things but in a funny way, even the person who receives it in a very lighter way they feel it. Am I right? Yes or no? So how you can decide how wit and humor play a very important role in every human's life. How it is an essential quality, or you can say very important quality to have in you. Why? Because you are sociable, you will become sociable, where people would love to be friends. So people having these two qualities, especially humor and wit, always welcome. They have many friends. People love to, at least in your class you can find such a person who takes everything very light. If you make jokes upon them, they even receive in such a way. So mostly, mostly they say, when Punjabis, when you have seen stand-up comedians in our TV serials or comedy shows, you have seen they crack jokes upon themselves and make people laugh. They don't feel bad because they make everybody laugh. Yes or no? Have you ever seen that In our, you have, where you see the, in our TV serials, mostly in our reality shows, how the, you know, what do you call, the anchors, they crack jokes to make the situation very light. Yes or no? We'll continue this our next.